G213. Man, I hate this camera. Keyboard. I really hate this camera. Hold on. Logitech G213 Prodigy keyboard. Taking off the keys. It's not non-mechanical keyboard. Spill proof. When you spill stuff on it, it gets all over here. Dog hairs in here because we got crappy dogs. I spilled some coffee on it over here, so I started removing keys. But basically, the easiest tool that I've found to get these keys off or started is a large, fat zip tie. And I just started using it to pry it. And once you get a couple of the keys off, like in this area, I'll have to use it again. But like literally like that, and then just wiggle the key, and you can pull it off. And yeah, you'll get it off. But just, there we go, just like that. You see what you start with the zip tie, and then you keep on going off. Now you can just pull them off by hand. Once you have a little space bar, and a couple of the other ones have a clip. They're a little harder. You got to get on both sides of the clip because the key has a clip on each side. But that's how you do it. Just remember your order. If you have the box originally too, you can just rip them all off like I do. I have the box. But if you don't have the box, take a picture of everything. So we'll go back on in the correct order. Funky. It's not very old. Alright, that's how you do it though. Just see, like these keys, boom, once you get them off, you just pull up on them. They come right off. What was that, shift? I think so. We're trying to keep them in order. It's not going to work out though. Alright. Oh, cool, custom. So on some keys, you really have to just pry it. And other ones, get underneath there and just twist this thing. And the zip tie will break before the plastic on the keyboard will, so just don't break the clippy things. Again, some of them have the clips. Spacebar one's the worst. Let's go vacuum this out, and we're just gonna lightly like wipe this thing out, and it'll be good. And clean all the keys. What a nightmare! Don't spill stuff on your keyboard. See, when you do spill stuff on the keyboard, luckily you have to spill it pretty high for it to get inside the membrane, so it just kind of just stays on the bottom, which is cool. That's a cool design. Yeah. I wouldn't really rinse it off either. If you spill stuff on it, just leave it flat. Try to dab it out between the keys, or just pop the keys off and get what you get, and it won't get inside of it. Alright, off to the vacuum.